New custom messages feature is particularly useful when additional context is required for forwarded message. WhatsApp is gearing up to introduce a new feature that will let users add a message to any forwarded content, enhancing the app's functionality. The feature was spotted in the Android beta 2.24 to 25.3 version and is currently available to limited beta testers via the Google Play Store program. Custom messages feature on WhatsApp. According to a report by WABETA Info, the new feature will enable users to append a new message to a forwarded message, providing essential context and explanations alongside the shared material. Earlier, users could only add a caption to media files such as images, videos, and GIFs. However, with this update, users can add a personalized message to any type of forwarded content, including text messages, documents, and links. The new feature allows users to provide additional context to the forwarded content with minimal effort. On top of it, users can also add a new message to content that was not originally forwarded, including straightforward text messages. WhatsApp Custom Messages feature availability. Currently, there is no official release date for this new feature. However, it is anticipated to be released in the coming weeks. This feature is particularly useful when additional context is required for a forwarded message, including instances when users forward a news article link or something of the sort, allowing them to immediately add their thoughts on it and saving from needing to send a separate follow-up message.